hi. All right. We're still working on things from the basket. What do we got here? We got a message. Oh, yes. I will see. I can get before we. Okay. Put this phone in just right, or it doesn't charge. Okay. Now, here's a little tricky. I've got an 8 and a 9, but if I turn this off and turn it back on, it's going to reset. I'm going to have to do it all again. But if I pull out the serial cable and turn this off and put in Bradley's Basic by Matthew Desmond and turn it on, the drives will not reset. And then, as far as I know, of course you should never plug something in when it's turned on. Put that in there. So, yep, got that juice. Okay, now I can do things better. Catalog C0 on unit 9. Type mismatch, what do you mean? Catalog C0 on unit 9. Okay. Now, this lost tomb I don't want. So I think with like a basic 4, I could say delete lost tomb. Scratch lost tomb. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Okay. So, I believe I have all. Oh. On unit 9. I think I have all the Bruce Lee files. And I thought I got rid of this. Catalog C0. Oh, I know what I didn't do. Okay. Right. I'm on the. Okay. Scratch. Lost tomb. On unit 9. Are you sure? Yes. On unit 9. Basic 4 commands because of. Okay, so now. Okay. I think I have everything. Catalog D0. The Mario Brothers didn't work. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out of here and I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to pull this out. Turn this off. I pulled out the serial cable, so I still have 8 and 9. And we're going to see if any of this worked. Alright. Load the directory on device 8. This. Okay, we're going to load. Wait a sec. Why? Did I? Oh dear. Did I do that? Yeah, I did. Okay, fine. Well, this has got to go off. Somehow I blew it. We got 2. Maybe I turned it back on tomorrow. Anyway, Bruce Lee. Combat 8. And we're going to run it. And we're going to see If it worked. Oh dear, our battery is low. Oh, we'll close that. We're going to see if this actually managed to copy or not. We will. Maybe it did. Maybe it didn't. I need to find some good labels to put on discs that I trust. The old labels, which are like 40 years old now, they don't stick very well. There we are. There was a cool program. Maybe you can do it with something. Print shop, where you can actually make disc labels out of regular paper and then cut them out. I suppose what I could do is just be to write on, not on the disc, but on the jacket. I suppose. Anyway, you know what? I get bogged down in all this stuff. But there is Bruce Lee. And it would seem that this has worked. The interesting thing is Frogger, which I didn't want to copy, and I did this all with copy all, which means it was exceptionally slow, but it worked, it seems. What's this little dude? Oh, that's okay, ball. Oh yeah, microphone thing. Who knows? Will Frogger work? I don't know. I just don't know. But this seems to be working. It does seem. It seems. It seems. Oh boy, it's a big bunch of loading. But I think I got everything copied. I think. I hope. Anyway, so, yes. Need to get things sorted and figured and off the floor so I can roll back and forth, do what I gotta do. NBD. Okay, what do we got? It stopped. It seems to have loaded. It did also say it would go to the demo. So we'll wait until it does, because that means it's doing other things. And it's off to the demo. I guess, yeah, you did get points for those things. They look like punching bags. Oh, he's good at throwing those kicks. And then climbing away. Okay. This is working. Wahaha. Okay, not surprising. What we do want to find out now, and I think I will know the answer. 53280, 53281, 1, commas. Oh, no. 0, white, load. Okay, where is Frogger 2? There we are, Frogger 2 boot. Now this did not work on the other disk, and I don't suspect. I don't suspect it's going to work here. I would be very surprised if it does. But it copied using copy all. It did shake and shudder and have a bit of a bad time. I don't know. I just don't know. So we'll give it a try. We shall give it a try. I would be surprised. Because you see, there were bit copiers and nibblers and things and stuff along the way. Oh my word. Oh, that doesn't look so good. Well, did I turn that off completely between things? That will hit that reset button. That's weird. Hold that reset button again for a lot longer. No, it doesn't. Boy, that's weird. Okay, we're going to shut this off. And we're going to wait. And we'll turn it on. And I'm not going to change the colors. I'm not going to diddle around. Okay. Oops. Alright. Run. Now, once again, we'll give this one more try. And then we'll delete it. Alright. Magic eraser. All kinds of things. As I say, these power bars are great, but they're not. And you know, I suppose if I was brave at this moment, this cable, which is covered in all kinds of slime, probably some tape, it is actually quite lovely in some ways. It's a 5-pin. It's good for a VIC-20. What I could, no, let me think about this. Okay, Frogger, cracked. Are we gonna run this time? Nope. I don't think so. Oh, I need to do the joystick. One last try. Nope. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put Bradley's basic. Da-da-da, so I can get access to this command. They didn't want to copy that anyway. Unlock D0. And we're going to scratch Frogger asterisk quote. Yes. And it will go away. Away, away, away. Okay, so we have Talking Sam, we have the copier, the shoplifter, we have Bruce Lee. Okay, that's a good. Now, I really need to do things to make sure I know what is this. Oh, this is the disc that there's lots of trouble with. I didn't try LTR. Let's just try one more time. Oops. Mario. And chances are, with this funny thing in here, it's not going to do it. It's just not. It's going to come up with an error. flashing. It's coming up with an error. And it's dead. Okay, so that goes off. And we're going to pull this out because this other thing looks humongous. And I'm not even sure what it is. And it's LT1. What does it say on? That would be helpful. Lost to, oh no, not an adventure game. Okay, well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to load this. It's been turned off for a while. And we'll see. But this disk, I think I pretty much, well, what? Oh no, it's done stupid things. It's going to be gibberish. Okay. We're going to do 53280, comma 0. We're going to put 53281, comma 0. We'll turn that white. And we're going to save this. And we're going to do quote LT1 quote comma 8 comma 1. And just see what happens. But this disk is, I believe, destined for it didn't do anything. I wonder what this is. Oops. Let's start afresh. Okay. You know what? Just because I don't know what this is, but it's here, I'm going to try and load this. 8,1. I'm going to list it. There's nothing there. Okay. I'm going to load this. This is annoying. This is annoying. Okay, it's in. What does this look like? Gibberish. Oh, type in run. Nothing. Okay. You know what? We've done all we can do with this. And even the label is coming off. I am going to take and put this in box of cred. Anyway, the battery is dying. And, yeah. That's it for now. I gotta put this on the charge. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Yep, I'm in the TV room. And I'm gonna get this cleared up. Really. Bye for now.